Nagpunta ka, te.
Nagluto og
What are you doing there, te? Response. Reply.
I just cooking the Milagros rice.
What's Milagros like? Miracle, right?
Ay, miracle rice.
Hmm. Mm-hmm. How are you, Kitty? Mm-hmm. So this is our house. Our window were usually closed. Yeah, I don't know what's that. Of course, that's me. Woohoo! Hello. Mm. Mm. Hello. Mm-hmm. Look. This is our plant. Um, that's that's our main dog. Oh,
Uy, ha?
that's the dog buster. Ah.
Ay, dali daw.
Ah.
Dito ka dito.
Hmm? Where did I? English. Mm-hmm.
Wala pa nag-say sa himo dito, no?
Kay ikaw lang idog yun. Kay ikaw lang idog yun ta akong pinang. Oh, my sister. Sister, say hi to my friend. Huh? Dali, day, pag hi. I have a friend named Patricia, so I will send this video to her. So say hi.
Hi,
Patricia.
Patricia.
Huh? Don't laugh, please. Gay. Repeat it. Huh?
Hello, Patricia. How are you? Have a great day. Happy New Year.
You, Mr. Lau, say hi to my friend. Oh, Patricia, this dog is so mean to me. You know, he always, bark me even though I am his owner. I'm his owner. Don't you know that? It hurts, So this is the our cat is passing by. Hello, what's the name of this cat?
Ming Ming.
Oh, Ming Ming. Ming Ming, come here. Oh, that's our cat. Oh, I don't know where he. Huh? Is it she? Oh, she. Um. We have another dog, puppy. Actually, I don't know where it is now. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, here's another dog. Mm. Oh, sorry, it's so unclear because the light. It's kind of dark here. Oh, not so dark, but just a little bit.
Uy, don't block that.
And this is my sister. She's cooking right now. It's New Year. Say hi to my
Say
friend,
hi.
Patricia.
Hi, Patricia.
Uh, this is my eldest sister, by the way. Oh, it is look like rice, but here in Philippines we call it biko. It's not just an ordinary rice. It's what you explain. Explain what you're cooking. No, I'm serious. I will send this to my friend. She's an American.
Mahala kasi anong
Explain
explain yourself too.
how you cook biko. How prepare biko. Okay, sige.
First, you must cook the miracle rice in coconut cream.
Not milk?
The first that you squeeze from the coconut grated. Then
Uh,
you boil the
miracle.
miracle rice. Then after that, if you're done in cooking, then you will
Mm. Enough explanation or it is already done? Or you just cannot really know how to proceed?
I don't know how to proceed.
Okay, so sige, say bye to my friend.
Bye.
Say her name. What kind
Bye,
of
Franklin.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh. Say bye to Patricia.
Bye, Patricia.
Oh. Oh, Patricia, that's my I already mentioned it earlier. No need to this is our what you call here there, ate? Sala? No. Oh, we have our old what? So we have another hmm. Oh, our neighborhood. This is all our neighborhood here. The police station. Oh, that's the police station. Oh, we have an avocado tree here. As you can see, we only have a small small gun background. No, avocado, guava, and etc. What a drum. Ah, many more. Mm. So, that's our one. Oh,
Enough frying.
oh, come on. Oh, as you can see, she know how to speak English pretty well. She's I already. Oh, and this is what I mentioned to you when I said I have a lot of books. Hmm. Oh, that's my collection. Almost all of book here is mine. Only few to my sister. Mm. This one. Oh. Mm. What? I try. I trying my best here to speak English, so don't really. And another one, and there's a lot more there in our bookstore. What? Oh, the yeah, yeah. I almost got her in a video. I also got her in a video stealing, like a thieving cat. Yeah, a thieving cat.
Oh, man.
You know it. You want to, what you call that ate? Kanang nanguha lag pinakalit ate no parang bata ate sa kahayon. Oh. Sorry, I'm not able to take it to the Oh, our province, our dog, our main dog. Mm. No, this dog only know how to bark me when he have my other, my sibling. But when he's alone, of course, he's totally afraid of me. Brownie, say hello. Mm. Mm. I don't know what to tell more, so I think I will end this video here. This is Marahan, by the way. Mm. Some of my neighbor. Mm. Mm. So right now this all I can give. So as I can. So this time I will just send another video of myself. So until next time.